Hi, student. So let us see an example on identity operators. What are the identity operators we have? Is, and another one is the is not. Is also a keyword here. Okay. So what is this ID function does? This is the built-in function which prints the unique ID of the particular variable. So ID of X and ID of Y. If both are shares the same ID, then they belongs to the same, otherwise not. So X and Y are same objects. So obviously they are not. So that's why it prints the false. Let's run it. So X ID is something 360, 680. So both are not belongs to the same. So they prints the false. I'm writing the one other statement Z equal to X. Yes, now I'm printing the ID of Z. So Z ID of the Z is equal to the X. Now I'm printing whether the both X and Y are same. Now it prints the yes because the IDs of the both variables are same. So it's printing true. So here this is the 680. Sorry, X is the 360 and also Y is also 360. Sorry, Z is also 360. So both are same. That's why it's printing the result as true. And for the is, the opposite is the is not. Is not. So X and Y both are not same. That's why it prints the in the result as true.